We're going to talk about selecting an object within InQI Site Editor to move it around, to edit it, to adjust it. The way you do that is the site plan selection is selected on top. There are certain elements within a given site plan that you could select a layer and update. Those are not including the topography. The topography is a fact that cannot be adjusted. However, in this screen, you notice that the roof line is highlighted. You can select it. The object opens up on the side. You can make some modifications to it right here. You could move it around once it's selected. You could also click on an area and adjust that area as you wish as well. This is selection of an object on the screen. On this screen, the two layers that are active, one is the roof line, the other one is the property line, that you can make modifications by changing it around.